Hey everyone, it's MizukiArts. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do just a quick little sketchbook tour, or really like a flip through, just because I didn't want this video to be like crazy long. I started the sketchbook in like mid-January and finished it up on May 1st, so it definitely took me a little while to get through this, and that's why there's like a painting on almost every page, except for the occasional unfinished sketch, just because I went through a lot of periods of art block, and I think you can really tell when I did, just because I did a lot of like quote-unquote comfort food drawings, or drawings that I like put a lot of effort into and had like similar themes or aesthetics but didn't really turn out like fantastic or anything. At this point in the sketchbook, I was really trying to like branch out and really experiment with different layouts and using the page differently. I tried to do redraws, I tried using different textures and like multiple mediums per piece. I just really wanted to get out of whatever rut I was in. I even dabbled in some funguary, as is on screen right now. I only did 2 pieces for it, but it was still fun, and I actually really want to come back to this concept with the boat that's on fire. I'm really interested in trying to redraw it. I had a lot of failures in this sketchbook too, like a lot of pieces that I just really didn't like, but I did find a technique for just painting over my sketch and skipping line art that I really liked. I actually kept using it kind of on and off throughout this sketchbook and beyond. It's really fun when I don't feel like drawing or like doing line art, where I can kind of just let myself be a little more casual. I've had quite a few pieces in this sketchbook where it just felt like, I don't know, things weren't coming together, and it made me feel better to know that when I was drawing, I was going to finish the drawing, but I didn't have to feel like I was going to spend like an insane amount of time on it for a product that I didn't like, you know? I feel like when you're having a hard time with your art, it's really important to kind of let yourself move on quickly, and when you feel like really getting into a piece, then let yourself. Similar to my last sketchbook tour, I was really into like gluing things into my sketchbook. I really liked layering stuff, just like at the beginning of the sketchbook when I was using a lot of things in the pieces. I also tried to make use of the back side of each page, like I tried to do sketches or little thumbnails if need be, and of course I returned to mixed media stuff. I used like glitter in some pieces and like pieces of like washi tape and stuff. You know, I just tried to have fun with it, and I did a lot of like YouTube art in this sketchbook too, because at this point I was really trying to starting to pick up the rate at which I was putting out videos. And that's why, of course, this video is out within a month of my last big video. I really did enjoy, though, keeping in some like layering in my pieces and kind of, I don't know, getting out of like my basic routine with it. I don't know. I feel like sometimes I get very much caught up in the sketch, line art, paint process of making art, and it really doesn't have to be like that. So I enjoyed doing like, you know, flaps on that one ghost girl painting a couple pages back. I enjoyed adding in glitter and lots of sparkle, of course, and mixing up the compositions and shapes and sizes of all the paintings that I did. And of course, I had my staples, so to speak, my staples for subject matter that I return to repeatedly, because of course I do. I always draw, you know, anime girls, and they're always in like fluffy dresses and surrounded by sparkles, and that's just what I do. But I enjoyed messing around with different mediums throughout this sketchbook, and I tried to experiment, even though I very much, I don't know, I still ended up with an art block no matter what. So it was very much piece to piece. I can't say the sketchbook has been like great or terrible. I will say though, I have noticed that some sketchbooks I feel better about my art than others. I mean, there's usually a few like favorites in there, you know, but some I just go, I love this so much from page to page, and then others I'm like, I can't even, but it really does depend on I think the time of year, and also like if I'm feeling encouraged, if I'm feeling like good about my art. The piece that's on screen right now has been actually one of my favorites of all time, and immediately after it I was feeling art blocked because I got sick, and then Mermaid was beginning, so I don't know, I was all over the place, and I did some YouTube art even though I was sick. You might recognize these pieces from my last video actually. I used pressed flowers in my art, and tried to make it look unified. And then you could tell I really was art blocked because I immediately went into fan art and then bounced right back into Mermaid. And yeah, that's the last painting in the sketchbook, unless you count this little doodle page with some random OCs on it. And yeah, that's my entire sketchbook from January to May. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like and subscribe if you did, you know, all the YouTuber stuff. Thank you guys for joining me, and hopefully I'll have more sketchbook tours in the future for you guys. Let me know if that's something you're interested in. Bye!